back at y'all with another video. We're gonna be talking about TPST and a few other top percent gainers. Now today is a good day in the market, and for day trading we've had a lot of runners today, so we'll be getting into those, looking at some of the news, some of the charts and things like that. So as y'all can see right now, TPST is already breaking out all the way back over $3. Now today this stock is already up over 1,000%. So this stock right here, y'all can see it opened up around $1.80, and then honestly in the morning there was just too much halts and the stock wasn't moving correctly, honestly. So as y'all can see here, the stock opened up around that $2 area, then it went down to the 180s, and then you see we had a little jump right there. But if you look at these halts were 10 minutes, some of these halts was 5 minutes, so you had to be patient, you had to stay staring at the screen for a long time too to catch this play. Got in at a good area around the $2 area, but a lot of these stocks that halt and they go under VWAP, they just keep on going down because there's too much value, too much people shorting it and things like that. But I think today what happened was, as you see right here, we got kind of a bear trap. So right here, a lot of people probably got caught going short, so they probably had to buy out their position. And now you see we got this big breakout right now, and probably more people shorting at that $3 area. So since we just broke this $3 area, let's see. I think the stock, as we're talking right now, is already halted again. So you know, it's just a lot going on today, a lot of money to be made. But I did get in this trade later on in the day around area $2 area, but I was kind of getting shaken out because the stock kept going down. We wasn't seeing too much of a move right here, and again, this is why I said you got to be patient, you got to wait for these plays to set up. But I did sell when we started getting this pop into the 220s a little bit earlier, so I sold a little bit here, and then by the time the stock started going to 280s, and again y'all see we're getting halts right here too. Some of these halts are like 6 minutes, 5 minutes, but I didn't have too much shares here, but I did get to sell in like the 280s and the 270s, which was good. And I think a little bit of shares in like the 290s. So not a bad day for me. I wish I would have held all of my shares from the morning, but like I said, you got to be careful, because as this stock went down to, if it would have kept on bleeding out, you would have seen a lot of red candles here. But we had that nice recovery, nice bear trap, so this was a good play for the day. TPST. Now as far as the news on this stock, it looks like there's some type of bio company, so they had some type of positive news release, some type of positive phase news and things like that. But again, the news, as long as there's news, is good for me. Sometimes I don't want to tap in too much to the news, but I do want to know what's going on. And as y'all can see here, stock just keeps on getting halted and things like that. But good run on TPST today. Only stock that I traded, currently over $3. So hope y'all caught that run today too. Next stock we're going to talk about is our old friend Tup. Y'all know we made a lot of money on the stock this year. One of the top short squeeze of the year. Now this stock too was running in the morning, but we had another bear trap also right here around 10.20. So this was a nice little run from $2 to $2.23. I would have liked to play something like this, but again, I was on TPST, which was up over 1,000% today, so I'm not mad. But let's keep our eyes on Tup, because it has been running for the past 2 days now, so we'll see if we can get back to that $5 area, as y'all can see right here. Honestly, there's no real news on the stock, just saying that there's a lot of volume and stuff like that. But other than that, yeah, Tup is running. We'll see if we could get back to that $5 area, $4, even the $3 area. That would be good for Tup. So stay on the lookout. Remember, these stocks have to hold over $1. So when you see us getting close to that dollar area, you see these stocks start to run back up again. This stock I wasn't watching, ACAQ, but it is, as I said before, I don't like these stocks with these sketchy type of charts. That means it's kind of illiquid. Right here, you see the volume, kind of resistance volume at 25K on the 1 minute chart. So not too much of a play for me. Again, we go to that 5 minute chart and things start to clear up just a little bit, but too illiquid for me. Not one of my something that I would play, but it is one of the top percent gainers, up over 40%. All the way from $7 to $11 today, so nice morning run. But other than that, not too much after. Now let's go to the next runner. And again, before we go to Phio, Y'all can see right now, TPST just came back from that halt and is at 328. So I just want y'all to see kind of how these stocks also move and what happens and how quick these stocks can actually move. So just pay attention to that. We'll probably go back to it at the end. But PHIO was another stock that was running today. Actually got over that pre-market high, or at least went back to it. So that was a good move on today. Now if you look at the 1 minute chart, stock, I love this when the stock runs in the pre-market and then out the open is actually low. Unlike TPST right here, you see out the market open, this stock was already super high. So that's probably why in the morning there wasn't too much more of a push. So just something that I've been noticing when these stocks are kind of low in the pre-market, out the open, they tend to run, and they could run right back up to that pre-market high or even over it. So this stock ran all the way from $1.50 all the way to $2.50. So that's a nice $1 move. I'll be putting this one also on my watch list. But again, Tpst is running, as you see right here, and TPST again, which we'll go back to. I believe this is probably like the 10th time that this stock has been halted on the day. So if you like to play these halts and play these risky type of stocks, then this is probably one for you today. But as y'all can see right here, the stock actually went to $3 and then got rejected all the way down to $2.59. Oh, actually $2.50s, $2.54, and then right now we got over that $3.17, $3 area. So let's see if this stock can run to $4 or go to out the halt. But these are the main plays for the day. Again, TPST. We also got Tpst. I could go to the 1 year chart for y'all too, because I know, I like to also use that yearly chart just to see where the volume is going to be at, and also to see when these stocks had a lot of volume on certain days, were they running or were they, having red days and getting rejected. So as y'all can see here, Tpst has about resistance value of 125, and we haven't even reached that. So this is definitely going to be something for me to watch. Y'all can see earlier again in the year we had that run all the way to about $5 to $6. Let's go back to TPST. This stock had a resistance value of about 80 million, and we're already at 122. So as always, that's a a bullish type of factor when we get more volume than we had on that yearly chart. Then what other stock was running? PHIO. So these were the main stocks that I would have traded today, or I would have been looking at. Now this stock has a resistance volume of about 20 million on the yearly chart, and then the other times when they had big volume, right here had a big red day. I'll be honest, so that would have been a little sketchy. But these other two big volume days, they actually did pretty good. So right here, 20 million resistance volume. Let's see if that was before today's run. So if we go back, yeah, it was about 10 million. And right now we're already at 32 million. So again, pay attention to that supply and demand and the volume, which is super important. And again, as y'all can see, TPST is at 338. So we'll see how this ends on the weekend. It is only Wednesday. We still got 2 more days to trade. So this week has been good. I hope y'all been making money. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for that YouTube algorithm. And if you like, day trading news, day trading updates, stock updates, and things like that, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Make sure y'all check out that Patreon. Also, make sure y'all check out that Road to Riches gear, as y'all can see right here. And I'll see y'all in the next video.